Most producers skip over the Shaper in Ableton Live, and that's exactly why their automation sounds stiff and lifeless. This device is not just a visual toy, it's a modulation powerhouse that can breathe movement into your sound without having to draw every line by hand. You can map it to up to 8 parameters at once: filter cutoff, reverb decay, pitch, panning, even resonance. Then you get to draw your modulation. Drag breakpoints into place, curve them with Alt, snap them to grid or break free for looser movement. It's your shape, your feel. Add jitter to introduce natural variation, use smooth to tame the chaos, flip rate from hertz to synced tempo divisions, shift the phase, adjust depth, offset, or use retrigger to restart the movement every time a note hits. Want a groove that evolves? Want delay feedback that pulses with the beat? Want your pads to swell, your drums to stutter, your reverb to breathe? Shaper gives your sound a pulse that feels human. If your mix feels stale, this is where you start bringing it to life. Want to master Shaper and other tools inside Ableton Live? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you the link.